I just want to lighten you about the going project of people changing them party to APC. And what I want to enlighten you is this: as an old Nigerian and a very smart Nigerian that knows things undergroundly without being in the party of anyone. Yeah, my name is His Royal Majesty Igbo Agugbaola. I'm CDS Igbo 1 of United Arab Emirates. One Amoloha 1 of Enugu State. Agugbaola. No matter what, you know. And the issue is this. I found out that so many people are moving from PDP to APC. But let me quickly remind you something that you will not forget in a rush. Let this be in your calendars, your diaries, your archivers, your tenitarics, because time is not far. It's just within some couple of time. I know your president is not going for second tenure. There will be a lot of disagreement everywhere because of the son. She is causing a lot of problems. It's not protecting the interests of the father. Happen to not be in any position handed to him as this or that in Nigeria. That's what the father would have done very quickly. But because the father have not done that, what I'm saying is this: all the people leaving PDP to APC, hello, they are just trying to gain the ground of what is happening in the APC. So when they now pull you people, when they now come to view you and understand how you people live and how cartel you organize, then they will leave you and go back to PDP. Remember, PDP, there's a time that PDP was booming everywhere, PDP this, PDP that. And APC come with excess power of Tunumbu and his backbones of Jagabam. He took over some certain things. And what am I saying is this: that time is not distance. The whole PDP member that run to APC, they will find out all your secrets, all your do are done. Then they will now come back to PDP. So have it in mind that next election, there will never be selection again in Nigeria. Never. And the reason is this: because so many things are being piped down. When you see people moving from this party to this party, it's investigation. They want to investigate to know what exactly is happening in this place. So when they find out, they'll go and arrange them home. Upon that, they are not left the PDP totally. They're left with one leg, and the other leg is there, and they are making calls, communicating. When rain enter your place, what did rain come to do? To destroy. All the PDP left member to APC. They left to PDP to find out the secret and strategize very well how to bring them down. So the next election is not going to be easy in Nigeria. My name is His Royal Majesty Igbo Agugbaola. I'm still the Igbo 1 of United Arab Emirates, born rugged prophet. A little rat was trying to make noise in the place I was sitting. I look at the rat, I smile. Do you know why I smile? The rat is about to go down. So many things to give. People go there, they go slump for road. They say what? They have heart failure. Now we they do them. Don't worry yourself. You look at me, you gossip about me, you think I didn't hear? I heard. And I walk away. You know the reason? The way you fat. You say you're one of my followers. The way you fat, that's the way you will less. So coffee will size you. My name is Royal Majesty Igbo Agugbaola. Nevertheless, I heard your news, I heard your stories. People come to tell me, Biko, forgive him, please. Forgive. I don't forgive like that when you're trying to insult me. I don't. There are so many spiritual things to do. You know why? I'm a spiritual man. I have spiritual control is physical. And people that know me that I know sabi joke. Thank you very much.